kapatid na Joseph, kapatid na Josan, sa ibabaw ng lahat ng ito, pananagutan ninyong mag-asawa ang umibig sa Diyos, gaya ng isinasaad sa mga aklat ng kautusan. At inyong iibigin ang Panginoon mong Diyos ng buong puso at ng buong kaluluwa at ng inyong buong lakas. Maintindihan niyo yung dalawa?
Importante jud kaayo, as in dugay na ako nag-dream na makasal kay sa civil naman ni mga amo dyan mandoy before, so karon nga natabot na siya.
Civil ra walay blessing sa simbahan mo nga kay malargahay sad before makalarga na may blessing sa simbahan para sa among kaminyoon ba nga magkuan siya mo focus din sa center na gid mo ang Ginoo sa among kaminyoon.
Could never stop. A dreamer with the fever to be great was all I ever wanted. Got me singing like bang bang, bang bang, bang bang. This fire's a weapon. Bang bang, bang bang, bang bang. Won't stop till we're legends. Won't stop till we're legends. Sweat, I'll break my bones till all my scars bleed golden. My name's forever known. Bang bang, bang bang, bang bang. This fire's a weapon. Bang bang, bang bang, bang bang. Won't stop till we're legends. Bang bang, won't stop till we're legends.
First, classmate with me sa elementary. Then,
From, I don't know, grade 2 to grade 6 or grade 1 to grade 6.
then nagkita mig balik pag kuha na sa mo ang sa GC, sige may
Year 2004 sa Passenger. Kay naman mi GC sa among batch pag elementary.
Moto, chat siya na ako, then kita mo. Wow.
Kadyo talaga kasi nagkauyab mi mga October 2014 na minyo mi o June 2015 civil.
The words to get you here today.
As we stand here together once again, I renew the vows I made to you years ago with even deeper meaning. I promise to continue to stand by your side through all of life's joys and challenges. And I pledge to love you unconditionally, to support you in all that you do, and to cherish every moment we share. You are my rock, my partner, and my best friend. Today and every day, I am grateful for the love we have built together, and I look forward to our future with excitement and joy.
Ma'am, today I stand before you once again to reaffirm the promises I made 9 years ago. From that moment until now, you have been my constant source of love and strength. You light up my life in ways I never imagined possible. I promise to continue loving you with all my heart, to cherish every moment we share, and to support you through life's challenges. You are my partner, my best friend, and my forever love. I am grateful for every day, for the blessings of your love. As we renew our vows today, I pledge to honor you, respect you, and always be true to you. Together, let's embrace the future with hope and excitement, knowing that our love will only grow stronger with each passing year. I love you more than words can express, and I'm so proud to call you my wife. Here's to us today, tomorrow, and always. Salamat sa imong mga promises nga imong hinahinay o fulfill. Bisa sa tanan nga kalisod na ito nagian, nagyapon ka o pagsalig sa mga abilidad, sa imong push na ko, nga kinabuhaton na nimo kay kaya gini ninyo. O well, madahal salamat. I love you, ma.
You make my heart feel like it's summer.
Problema nga. Unsa ba na mong ma-encounter?
When the rain
Kami
is
na
pouring
kaming doon. Masolve na matanan.
You make my whole world
Pa, I love
feel
you,
so
Pa.
right when it's wrong. That's how I know you are the one. That's how I know you are the one.